Hello everyone, I am Utsav Noshkor and welcome to another video where I will share some more upcoming off-campus jobs. So let's start. So here is the first company which is HP. So HP is hiring college interns. The location will be Bengaluru, Karnataka. And as you were saying that already they have received more than 200 applications. So the requirement is very simple. You just have to enroll in an university of any degree and you can apply for this role. So after clicking on this apply on company website, you will be redirected to this website, that is the HP official recruitment career portal, where you just have to simple filling up the first name, last name, email, and after clicking to save and continue, you will be redirected to their workday site, and there you have to fill your resume and all other stuffs. So the next company is Cooper, so which is also hiring for the process associate training. The base location will be NSM Bangalore. I will be sharing the link of all these jobs in my video description. So just click on these links and apply for these jobs. So it is a full-time position. So they are mentioning their job responsibilities and they haven't specified any requirements yet. But the category will be the business operations and the primary, the base location will be Bengaluru, and the country of position is obviously India, and there is no other stuffs here, so they haven't mentioned any requirements yet. So the next company is the Cisco, which is very renowned organization to us, which is also hiring for the user experience, that is the UX designer intern in India. The location is Bangalore, India, and the area of interest is obviously the user experience design. And they haven't mentioned any technology interest. That means you do not need any experience previously for this role. And the job type is intern. And they have specified the job descriptions and the about the company, and that's it. They haven't specified any other requirements yet. To apply for this job, you have to click on the video descriptions link and you will be redirected to this site, and after that you have to sign in if you have an account in Cisco career portal. Otherwise you have to sign in and just have to apply using your resume. So the next company is the Boeing, which is mainly hiring for the associate software developer for their Bengaluru locations, and they have mentioned all their benefits if you join their company. And they have posted this job in 3rd February 2021. The location, the base location will be Bengaluru, Karnataka, and they have mentioned something about the company here, the job description. If you click on show more, then you will get this position responsibilities, and here are the basic qualification that they need. So the first one is to have a good knowledge in software, you have to come from a software background like CSE or IT department. Then you should have a quite well knowledge in cloud environment, that is preferable but not required. Then problem solving skills, written and communication skills are very important. Then otherwise you have to know C sharp or C++, and you should have knowledge in JavaScript, HTML, JSON, and quite knowledge in Azure will be a plus point of it. And preferred qualification is bachelor's degree or higher degree, that is the master degree in aerospace or aviation industry, but not mandatory. So you can be from any background. The relocation benefits, if it indicated, are limited in the country moves only, so you will be relocated in India only. The experience level is individual contributor, that means you do not need an experience before applying for this job. And the job will be a full-time job or full-time role. So after clicking on this apply now button, I will be sharing this link in my video description. You will be redirected to their workday space, where you have to just sign in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, then you have to sign up for it. After signing up, you will get a verification link in your registered email, and after clicking on this link, you will be redirected direct to this site. And here you have to apply using your resume. So that's it. Now the next company is Replicon, which is hiring through their My Anatomy portal. So here is the job description. So the hiring contest has been started from February 1st and it will be continued till February 16, 2021 up to 8 p.m. IST, and it will be test of duration 1 hour 10 minutes. So here are the eligibility criteria. The job title is software engineer trainee. The education qualification they've mentioned that is that you must be a 2020 pass out and from mm, and you can be any, you can be of any background, that is BE or Bachelor of Engineering, BTech, BSc, MCA, MSc, MTech, CSIT or Informational Science, and you should have a good academic record. They have specified that your marks should be or CGPA should be greater than 70% and you shouldn't have any backlogs. The salary they are offering currently 25K per month during your internship period, and your internship period will be 6 months, and after completing your internship successfully you will be joining as an FTE or full-time employee, and after conversion your salary will be 5.5 lakh per annum, that is the CTC. Now the next company is AutoCAD Drafter. So it is also hiring mainly for the BTech mechanical freshers. So it is only hiring for the mechanical engineers whom for freshers. You will find all the duties and responsibilities of this job. And here is the candidate profile they are requiring currently. The qualifications should be BTech mechanical engineering, it is preferred, and candidates should have a good communication skills and should be career oriented, and CTC will be based in the industry, and they will also add some other perks with your CTC, and it is a full-time job and your salary will be in between range 3 lakh to 3.6 lakh per annum. And that is also mentioned here that it should be a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, and due to this COVID situation it will be a remote job, and after this COVID things you should have to join there in office. And their base location they are mainly hiring currently for the Hyderabad location. Now the next company is IQVIA, which is hiring for the software engineer one, and the base location is Bengaluru, India, and it is also a full-time role, and you have to apply for this job through their My Workday job space. And they also haven't mentioned any requirement here, so you just have to click on this link which will be sharing in my video description, and after that you have to apply through your resume. The next company is Homeland, which is hiring for the software engineer intern, and the location will be Bengaluru, India. And they have posted this job in 15 Jan, and they haven't specified any last date to apply for this job, and they haven't required any previous experience to apply for this job, and it will be a full-time offering that is mentioned here. That is the employment type is permanent. So the required skills is that you should have a good problem solving skills, good coding knowledge, the knowledge or familiarity with the SQL DB like MySQL, and mathematical foundation and good analytical skills. But one thing they've mentioned that you can be a third year student or fourth year student, but you should be from a tier 1 college, which they have mentioned here. So if you want to apply for this job, then you should come from a tier 1 college, that is NITs, IITs, triple ITs, etc. The next job is CUBEX, which is hiring for software engineering. Here is the eligibility criteria. You should have a BE or BTech degree in CSE, ISC and EC, and you should be from 2020 batch. So here the job description and the desired skill will be you should have a very good communication skills, strong knowledge in any of the programming languages like C, C++, Java, SQL, Python, good testing skills, articulation of thoughts and converting them into good writing skills and good logical and aptitude skills. And the salary they are offering currently is 4 lakh per annum, and your base location will be Bengaluru, but currently will be working in a remotely because due to this COVID situation. And currently they have received 2,790 applications so far. They haven't mentioned any last date to apply, so I will suggest to apply as soon as possible after I upload this video. Now the next company is AST Corporation, which is currently hiring for project trainee. The location will be any of their location in India. Job category is consulting and functional. Job schedule is full time. That means it will be a full time role and remote working due to this COVID situation, which is mentioned here. And here is the job requirements, like position will be project trainee. Your experience in will be in between 0 to 2 years, and it will be a immediate joining after successfully finishing your interview round. And you will be having a project training designation experience. They are requiring currently 0 to 1 years. Qualification will be BE BTech in CAC, IT or MCA. Your pass out year should be 2019, 2020 and 2021. You should have marks in greater than equal to 60% in all your semesters, and communication should be excellent. And currently they are offering 3 lakhs per annum and plus 10% variables as per your performance. And skills they are requiring is Java, SQL, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And you will be having a bond of 18 months after joining this company. Now the next company is Indigo, which is also hiring for training. The eligibility criteria are BTech in electrical, electronics, mechanical or aeronautical engineering. You should have a 60% or above in your 10th and 12th, and graduation CGPA also should be 60%, greater than 60% or 6. Now the next company is Verifone, which is hiring for software development engineer, and the base location is Bengaluru. So you will find all the job expectation position summary here in this link. I will be sharing this link in my video description. And they have specified that all the job requirements, that is the bachelor's or master's engineering degree in computer science or equivalent. You should have a sound knowledge in C or C++ programming skills. Or other thing is that you should have excellent communication skills, preferable in English, and good knowledge in development and best practices preferably. And you can have any experience between 0 to 1 years. And the last company for today is Hike. So as per the last openings, they had specified that they will only hire for the tier 1 college, but for this position they haven't specified like this kind of thing, like they will only hire from tier 1. So this position is for all the tier college, like tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So they are mainly hiring for the software development engineers full time and remotely due to this COVID-19 situation. After this COVID-19 situation, they will have to relocate in the Delhi, India. And like as I have mentioned previously, you can be from any college like tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. They haven't specified like previous job that you should have to from a tier 1 college. The key responsibilities they have specified, like you will be developing softwares in Java, C, C++ or Python, etc. And benefits are specified here, and you have to just click on this option. I will be sharing this link in my video description. The application form is very simple, like you have to specify your first name, last name, email, phone number, your educational details, summary, resume, and you just have to click submit application. So that's it for today, guys. I will be coming with more opportunities, more of campus opportunities in different organizations. So stay tuned with me. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell to get the notification earlier than others. And if you are getting any, or if you are facing any problem during filling of these forms, please comment down below. I will try to help you. Thank you.